How to repeat YouTube videos automatically. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. Launch YouTube app on your device and make sure to log into your account. Now, you need to select a particular video which you want to repeat automatically. You can tap three dots of that particular video without opening, or you can even open. Now tap on Save to Playlist option. And you can easily add this video to existing playlist such as Watch Later, Loop Song Replay, Favorite or many more, and you can even create new playlist. Tap New Playlist and give a title. Now tap on Create button. To check this playlist, you can tap on See List. And afterwards, you need to tap to play this video. Once the video open, you will see the loop icon, which is the two icon backward and frontward. You need to tap on it at bottom left, and once you have done that, your YouTube video will be repeat automatically. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.